this video, I am going to tell you what I would tell my younger self if I could. What I wish someone had told me when I first started. It would have taken away so much of the unnecessary stress that I put upon myself. You are a beginner. Accept this. Every journey starts with a single step. You have already made multiple steps in your journey, or you wouldn't be here. Most people remain stuck on the sidelines of life. You, on the other hand, have stepped off the sideline and started doing. But this is both exciting and nerve-wracking because you are a beginner once again. And being a beginner always sucks. Life's a roller coaster of emotions, highs and lows, and building a business is no different. Just know this is normal. There isn't anything I've built long-term that I didn't want to give up at many times along the way. Health, wealth, relationships, and of course business. Reminds me of a Japanese proverb I came across and has since become what I consider one of my working principles of life. Fall 7 times, get up 8. So simple and yet so significant because I know that perseverance will defeat any obstacle, any circumstance. In simple terms, all negative emotions originate from fear. And as a beginner, there will be fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of rejection, fear of loss in the form of money and time. But I get it. The fear is both real and significant because your limitations as a beginner come in many varieties. No years of experience, no flashy website, no professional uniform, no dedicated detailing van or truck. No pressure washer, no generator, no steamer, not even a buffer. No, nothing special. But none of these actually matter right now. Seriously, they don't. I too had none of these when I first started out. However, I did have many other things that got me to where I am today. Desire, determination, persistence, patience, a strong work ethic, a willingness to get my hands dirty. And you know what else I had? I had a friendly smile. I had a positive attitude. I had a willingness to learn, a willingness to accept my limitations, basic detailing skills, and basic product knowledge. That's what I had, and this is my personal motivational talk to you. My wish for you is success, regardless of your chosen path moving forward once you've done your first 3 detail jobs for your first 3 customers.